Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make crochet gloves, fingerless gloves, and for that I'm using 4-ply pink yarn and 4 crochet hook. So we will start with a slip knot. It's also called magic loop and magic circle. And if you are absolute beginner and you don't know how to make it, I have complete workshop on my YouTube channel for that purpose. So now we have to make 32 chains. Okay, so now we have 32 chains. In the first chain, insert the crochet hook and then yarn over from those two loops on the hook. Basically, we made a big circle. Now chain 1 and single crochet in the same chain. Again, single crochet in next chain, single crochet in next chain. That's how we will complete this circle. Single crochet in each chain. So at the end of this circle we will have 32 single crochets on 32 chains. So now we have 32 single crochets on 32 chains. Its last single crochet, uncompleted single crochet. Insert the hook in first single crochet and then yarn over from the two loops from uncompleted single crochet. Now round 2, one chain and then double crochet in the same stitch or over the same single crochet and double crochet again in next chain, again double crochet. That's how we will complete this round, double crochet in all the chains. Okay, it's last double crochet. Now we have uncompleted double crochet on the hook. Insert the hook on the top of first double crochet and yarn over from the two loops of uncompleted double crochet. It's the trick that by using that trick you will not have big holes at the end of every round. Round 3 will be the same, and with the same process we will make 6 more rounds after the round 3. Like we will complete this round and then 6 more round with the same process. Okay, so now we have 8 round of double crochets completed, and now next round we are going to make double crochets in this round, but it's a little bit different because in this round we will make a hole for thumb. Basically we will make a thumb hole. Okay, and for that I am going to add stitch marker here. Okay, we will count 6 stitches from the end and then add a stitch marker. Okay, we will count 6 stitches. Okay, and then we will add a stitch marker. Now double crochet till the stitch marker. Okay, double crochet in the next chain where we have stitch marker. For that, I'm going to remove the stitch marker. Now chain 1 and skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and double crochet in the 4th one. Again double crochet and last double crochet. We will complete this round with the same process. Okay, now start the next round with the same process. Okay, double crochet all over the round, but you have to make double crochet till the point we have made 1 chain in the last round. Okay, now double crochet in the thumb hole and double crochet in rest of the chains we have left and complete the round with the same process. Now this round is done. We have to make 2 more rounds of double crochet exactly the same way.